In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user roles and invite users in Zoho Books. This process is vital for managing your team effectively and ensuring the right people have access to the necessary features that align with their responsibilities. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to be on your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your central hub from where you can access all the functionalities Zoho Books has to offer. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or similar symbol, located somewhere in your navigation bar. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu of configuration options that help tailor Zoho Books to your needs. Next, select the option labeled Roles. This will take you to a section where you can define different roles within your organization. In this environment, you are able to create, customize, and manage permissions for each role, ensuring users have the right access level. Let's create a new role. Click on the New Role button. You'll be prompted to enter a name for this role, which should reflect the role's purpose or the type of user it's intended for, like Accountant or Sales Manager. After adding a suitable name, you'll notice various permissions that can be assigned to this role. One of the common scenarios might be setting up a role for accountant users, so you might want to select relevant permissions in areas like sales, banking, and items. These permissions ensure that this role has access to sales transactions, banking information, and the inventory items they need to perform their tasks efficiently. Once you've determined the permissions that match this role's responsibilities, make sure to click Save. Saving confirms your configuration and adds the role to your list of available roles. This setup forms the blueprint for the types of users you can invite next. Now, let's switch gears to inviting users to Zoho Books. Go back to the Settings area and this time, click on Users. This section will show you a list of current users and their roles. To bring a new user on board, find and click on the Invite User button. You'll need to input the user's email address and assign them a role from the ones you've created earlier. Selecting the correct role here determines what parts of Zoho Books they can access and what actions they can perform. The final step is clicking Send Invite. This sends an invitation to the user's email, prompting them to join your Zoho Books organization with the role you've designated. And there you have it. You've successfully set up new user roles and invited users in Zoho Books, paving the way for efficient team management and workflow processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful as you navigate through your administrative tasks in Zoho Books. Tune in next time for more tips and tutorials.